We are here at the world famous loft of Gino and Jasper Klikke. A top hen is winning the first national Libourne. Libourne is maybe this year one of the toughest races of the year. Very hard, warm weather. This hen, middle-sized type, the breeding line of the Golden Prince and Sonia, won on a distance of 720 kilometers and is not only the first national against 3,317 old birds, but also the fastest of 6,309 pigeons. An unbelievable top performance, 720 kilometers distance as already said, and a velocity of 1,118.52 meters per minute. The ring number of this hen is B20 3015043. Congrats from the Herbots team to Gino and Jasper Klikke.
Thank you.